Hey, who's that? Oh, there is a baby lying on the bed. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, there is a baby lying on the bed. Oh, I want to go down. I want to go down. What is your name? What is your name? Your name is Oh my God! Her name is Are you he or she? Are you he or she? Oh my God! He or she doesn't answer my question. My name is who I am? Who am I? I forgot my name is what my name is. Oh my God. I wanna fly. 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 I wanna jump. Here. I want to take a ship. Oh my God. It's been a long journey. It's been a long journey. Oh, I want to rest here. Oh, I want to rest here. I want to rest here. Oh my God. I'm starving. Oh, no food here. No food. Oh, I'm thirsty also. I'm thirsty. Oh my God. On my butt. Oh my God. Who put the needle here? Oh my God. Oh my butt. Oh, it hurts. Oh. What are you trying to say, huh? I would like to ask him or her something. I don't know. Let me check. Wait. The baby is wearing earrings, so it means it's a girl. It's a baby 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 girl. Ow. What is her name? Hello, baby girl. What is your name? Oh, what is your name? Why you look ugly already? My name is Kinoe. What is Kinoe? Kinoe. Oh my God. I'm a parrot. I'm a parrot from Indonesia. I'm a parrot from Indonesia. And my name is Kinoe. I've been traveling around the world. Hello? I see you here. Oh, what is your name? Oh. She cannot answer my name. Maybe because she cannot talk right now. I think she's either She's 50 days baby girl. Yeah, 50 days baby girl. Yeah. And that's the granny. Ah, that's the granny. That's the granny. That's the granny. Ah. Ah. I wanna sleep here. Ah, I wanna sleep here.